Informative technical presentations, culinary highlights, and exciting driving experiences await you at the ANDRITZ Paper Days. After your arrival and check-in at the Hotel Das Schweizer, we meet in the lobby and walk together to the restaurant Landhauskeller for a casual come-together dinner in the venerable building of the Styrian government in the city center of Graz. Tuesday starts with the conference on innovations in the field of paper production at the Hotel Das Schweizer. Please dress in casual clothes and sturdy shoes, carry a valid driver's license, and do not drink alcohol that morning. After lunch, the bus will take you to the Red Bull Ring, where a fast-paced program awaits you. Every year, this track is the venue for the Formula One and MotoGP of Austria. But today, you are expected to excel in the pit lane and on the off-road track. If you don't feel like partaking in the Red Bull driving experience, there are attractive sights in the area. Or just take a little hiking tour in the nature. In the evening, you will continue to Schloss Gabelhofen, where a dinner awaits you in the castle. Afterwards, the bus will take you back to your hotel. The conference on Wednesday will take place at the Old University in Graz. Technical speeches by ANDRITZ and guest speakers invite to exchange expert opinions and to learn about new aspects of paper production. The event will end after a joint lunch with interesting conversations. Engage in discussions with us at the ANDRITZ Paper Days 2020. Don't miss this event. Register today.